the chicken feet, the quail egg, everything. It'll be super tender when you cut the nails. Side of the red curry paste for the color.
Apparently you guys are not that hungry.
Sliced galango. You can get it like this, or fresh, or you can fresh. This is the one introduced me. Backyard. Back in. All that goodness. Can and the fresh. Look at that. Ooh. Here's my coagulated blood right here. The Filipino market. This. Chicken bouillon. Please. Careful. We're gonna let it rest and then we're gonna peel this.
Hi baby, are you good?
The soup level back to its original from earlier. Put that in there.
Oh, I just like the regular one. And I don't use the full thing.
Add the quail eggs if you want. หน้าตามันออกมาเอง
Yes. The other is like super elegant.
The pork blood, and I'm just gonna cut it on low and simmer. See, there's nothing. Look, has the ton lure, the chicken feet, the quail egg, everything. It was so good. Have a little bit of everything. The bamboo, the fresh bamboo. Has the chicken, the noodle, everything. Pork blood, oh my god. Chicken feet. It just melts. The bamboo right there.